Hi everybody, we are doing partial products. We're going to do 45 times 82. So it's 2 digits times 2 digits. If you're starting to get the feel for partial products, I recommend trying a couple steps with the video paused and then using the video to check your work as you go. Your brain will remember the information better that way because it'll be forcing you to really do some of the work and form those connections in your brain. It'll actually save you time in the long run if you kind of stretch yourself. So I encourage you to pause the video, give it a try, and then unpause and go from there. We're gonna go ahead and get started though. So the first step is to take your 45 and put it in expanded form here, and your 82 and put it in expanded form down here. So go ahead and give that a try. We have 45 times 82. Now we're going to multiply the parts. So we start with our 40, and it's going to multiply down and across so that you're multiplying against both digits of the other number, never against its own partner, but we're going to multiply down and across. Then we'll do that with the 5. We'll go across and down. And you can see the arrows, they make this little bow tie here. As we multiply, we'll put our products here on the end. So go ahead and give that a try. You can pause the video and then see how you did. 40 times 80 is 4 times 8, 32, 0, 0, 3,200 or 3,200. Now, 40 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8 with a 0 is 80. Let's do the blue now. So we're done with that. Now we're going to do the blue. So we'll go across and then down. So 5 times 80 would be 5 times 8, which is 40. And then stick another 0 in there. And then 5 times 2 is 10. And then we'll add it all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 1. 2 plus 4 and 3 plus nothing. So we got 3,690. And that's how we do partial products with 2 digits times 2 digits. So check out the rest of the partial products playlist if you want to see all 36 questions, and you can either get these worksheets by clicking in the description, but you can also follow along on a whiteboard or just a blank piece of paper if you want to just get that practice. And I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you soon.